This is the view of the car in the daytime. Still a hot mess. Everything is in. But these are the wagon. These are the JDM taillights, so it does improve the look a little bit. They're definitely better than the whole complete black ones. Ugh. But yeah, so far not bad. So more or less this is what it looks like with the Civic SI wheels. This is just temporary until the inspection is over. I mean, they don't look too bad. They're not crazy, but this gap, maybe if it was a little lower, but like I said, they're just temporary because these have good tires. They came off the turbo car, which is not working right now, so this is the next best thing. So anybody who knows me knows this is a very rare sight. I couldn't get anyone to wash it, so I'm just gonna end up doing a quick wash myself, so the car looks semi-decent for tomorrow. So it won't be the greatest, but it should look better than how it looks right now. Well, it looks pretty high with these SI wheels on. And 2 studs in the back is messed up, so now I gotta fix that and change the brake pads. Not sure if you can see it, but this is the tape residue. So I have the glue gun. Hopefully this could get it out. And it's all over this side of the car, so I'm trying to, hopefully that helps get it out. So here it is. It's not perfect by no means, but it is a little bit better, so it should be passable. So ended up just washing the daily. It's a lot better than how it was before. It ain't perfect. Like I said, I'm not the greatest when it comes to washing cars, but this thing was just filthy. So looks like a car again. I tried to do the ceramic wax on it. Yeah, doesn't look too good, but whatever. Still looks better than how it was before. Same thing with the wagon. Wagon turned out good. I have it on the Civic wheels, but for now, like it's not bad. No, pretty proud of myself, but still needs a better detail with somebody who knows what they're doing. So got a few goodies. That's the JDM rear bumper right here for the wagon. I have pictures I'm gonna upload right now, and this is the crash bar for the JDM bumper. And I should be getting the JDM spats for the rear bumper also. I mean, it's annoying to take off all this plastic bag, but that's honestly how you want something wrapped when it's shipped. But this is the bumper reinforcement for the rear bumper. This is the bumper crash bar for the rear wagon. So this works in conjunction with the JDM bumper. So that's one. Next we have, let's see what's in this box. Okay, well this one was shipped out nicely, but let's inspect and make sure everything is in one piece. Sure you guys could probably figure this out by now, but let me get these out of the wrapper. Lights, JDM wagons. They're in very good shape, so I don't even want to take the rest of them out of plastic. I just looked through it, everything looked to be in good shape, no damage. So I'm just gonna wrap it back up and put it up in storage until I get the car ready. Because right now the car is still at the body shop, so once that comes out, then I'll start installing this and go for it. So next, these are the J37 intake manifold, runners, and throttle body. So I had these sandblasted. I'm just gonna clean them up real good, and then figure out, basically put them away until I figure out what color I want to paint them or whatnot. I just wanted to clean them up as fast as possible. But the sandblasting did take out a little bit out of the casting, so you gotta be careful when you do it. But overall, it's not bad. Just gotta clean this up. I think I should be good until I figure out either powder coat or paint and a silver color. Package straight from the motherland, Japan. This is for the TSX Wagon. So I'm just opening up, make sure everything's not damaged. So these are the side skirts, the TSX, in one piece, no damage. This one is wrapped up, so I just took that one out to make sure everything was good. But this one is all fine also, all the fittings are in, and most importantly, came with all the metal backing. So this is what you need to basically attach it to the vehicle so it doesn't flex or bend. That was one of the common problems I heard about. So thankfully I have it. It seemed to be fairly decent shape also, not broken or damaged. So wrap everything back up, put it back into storage until the wagon gets painted, which at this point might be next year, but at least I got the main parts I needed. Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.